In this video, we're going to be covering text and email templates as well as reputation management so that you can build up your reviews on Google and even on Facebook. But not only that, you can actually respond to the reviews inside of our system, which will ultimately boost your SEO and your Google ranking. So let's get right on in. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to make text and email templates. So let's head on over down here to the marketing tab, where we will now click the templates button. Okay, and then we can go over to the add templates. So as you can see here, we've got a whole bunch of customizable templates that are already made for you. Okay, so why exactly would you need a template, a texting template or an email template? Well, as in any business owner might know, when you have customers coming in and asking questions about your industry or your product, you most likely have to respond with very similar answers to a lot of people. So it'd be nice to have a template that's already done and you can just click the button and send the answer, or maybe follow it up and you want to send that follow-up text as well. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean right now. Okay, so over here is a bunch of email and text samples that you can use. So you can see that let's just jump in. If you add template, let me just show you that real quick. Okay, let's add an email template. You can see how you can just add it here as we've done in the past. Okay, but what I'll do is I pre-created let's say a happy holiday valued customer gift. Okay, so I'm gonna check on this email. Let's edit it, and as you can see, I already preset it. A happy holiday valued customer gift. Thank you gift. And so I put on here, hi, contact name. There's your custom value. As a special thank you to our valued customers. I pre-wrote this so that we don't have to do it right here. And then I click save. Okay. So within this area, you can even attach a file. You can do all kinds of things, customize this to your heart's content. Okay. So now that we've saved this, you can change it to whatever you want. Obviously, I'm just doing this for our purposes because the text and email messages are huge for time management, especially when you're connecting this system, our system, to your ads. Because if you're running marketing ads and you're getting a lot of responses through text message, email messages, messenger messages, whatever your ad is on, whatever platform, then you need to respond to those people as quickly as possible. And when you have a templated response, it just makes life that much easier. So I would truly highly recommend that you use these templates for text and email responses to save you a ton of time. Let's test it out real quick. So why don't we jump in over, now that here's your templates, let's jump over to our conversations tab. Let's test out the template that we just created, right? Let's go to one of our conversations, which if you remember, we've been having a conversation with Billy Bob, okay? Billy Bob has been our guy that we want to contact. If you scroll on down to the very bottom here, you can say use a template. Let's click on that. And then when you click on this down arrow for template, remember our happy holiday valued customer. I want to send Billy Bob this template. So let's just click on use template. And as you'll see, it will automatically get that ready for us. Okay. So it's a thank you gift for Billy Bob. And there's your conversation starter. Okay. So when we send this to him, what happens is Billy Bob's going to receive this text and it said hi custom value. You notice it automatically filled in his details because we said full name. So it says, hi, Billy Bob. As a special thank you to our valued customers, we would like to provide you with X, Y, and Z. Okay, here we go. Download it here. It's up to you how you run this. Okay, you can see how powerful this is to be able to connect with your customers quickly. But now I want to take you to the reputation management. This is just an overview, okay, which is right down here and to the left where once you've connected your Google My Business, okay, you can actually manage all of your reviews because you already know how important reviews are, especially when ranking on Google, okay? If you want to be the first company that comes up for your industry in your local town on Google, then you better have the most reviews and the best reviews. And not only that, you need to be responding to your reviews because Google sees that you're responding to them and it appreciates that you're using the platform and therefore they're going to rank you higher. So let me show you exactly how to do this, okay? So before we can send out our review request, we'll need to head over to the settings tab, okay? Right here. And we'll then head over to the reputation management, okay? Right here. You see this? And you can see here that if you have connected your Google My Business, you can easily generate a link which when pressed will take the customer straight to the Google review page for your business. Not only that, you can customize the message as well, and you can add here for your customer. You can say a thank you for your business, like here, hey, contact name, thank you for your business. Would you be so kind to recommend us to your family and to your friends, right? Keep it simple. And not only that, you can keep scrolling down and you can have all of these extra review widgets, okay? Customized review widgets. And if you want to display these reviews on your website, you can copy the code right here, okay? You see this right here? So you can copy code. So this is your review widgets, which means that if you have multiple reviews on your Google My Business and you want to display those reviews on your website, this is where you would copy it, and then you would just paste it onto your website or easily add it to the website you made on our system. So it doesn't matter if you built your own website and you're using our system, or you can just automatically plug it into our website system that you built right here, which will then boost your credibility and obviously increase conversations and conversions in the long run. Now, there are multiple ways of sending out a review request. So if we head back out of settings here, you can send a review request here. So let's go back. Okay. So over here, there are reviews. Now, obviously, if you had your reviews, you would have it all sent here. You could send out a review request by clicking on this top button here, customer name, email, etc. Send a review invite. Okay. And then here's another way that you can do it. Remember this little lightning bolt? Here's another quick access, send review request. If you click on that, it opens up exactly the same window. So as you can see, there are so many ways that you can send out a review to ensure that you get your business being talked about and you keep that response rate going. There are so many ways that you can customize this. If we go back into, let's see here, not that one, into conversations, we can create more templates. And then you can add a template. You could add a customer review this way. And then as we did before, go back into your actual conversations, find your person, send them that link, etc., like we did with Billy Bob right here. As a special thank you or a follow-up, can you please send us a review? So instead of giving him this valued gift after he's received it, you send him your review request, boom. You go into your template here, and that's a whole nother way that you can do it. So this is just a quick overview of what you can do with our text, email templates, and review. This is a way that you can really up your marketing by automating your responses and being fast and reliable for your customers. So you can actually give them quick action points. But before I leave, I just wanted to show you this real quick. Inside marketing, we have an entire social planner section, okay? And this is so powerful. When you click on this, okay, this will enable you to connect all of your social media platforms so that you can actually plan and send out all of your marketing, your gifts, your updates. When you're creating a brand, you need to keep yourself relevant and in the front of the faces of the people that you are trying to reach. The more and the better you can do that, the more automated, the smarter and the better your business's marketing profile looks to the public. Now, in this area, if you've connected your social accounts, you can just collect through here. But again, if you get lost at any point, just check this out. You can click Learn About the Social Planner. Let's just look at this help section real quick. And it starts to explain to you what our social planner can do. To manage all your social media in one place. With this feature, you can monitor your social accounts, save time by scheduling posts, and view your social analytics. When you click Next, you can go here. When you're first connecting your social media account, click the Get Started button right here, right? And when you've already integrated your accounts, there will be a gear icon that will allow you to edit your social, et cetera, et cetera. As you can see, it will walk you through about the whole purpose of integration, what will pop up, lead generators, and even in this, we have a little video walkthrough that says, watch this video to learn more about the social planner. Watch it, click here when done, and then you can do it for yourself. Okay? I understand there are a ton of features in our system. Okay? And that's why I want you to remember to take your time, adjust to it, try it out, play with it, and you'll find actually what I thought was daunting in the first time and others that seem way smarter and way techier. Well, actually, we're equipping you to be a lot more savvy. Okay? We're equipping you with the tools that you need to be able to do it for yourself or train your team members or your staff to be able to do these features for you so you can just have a broad overview. So start with the features that are best suited to your business workflow. Okay? Then as you grow, you'll find that our BeeSavvy system, our ecosystem will grow with you. Okay? So Anyway, I hope that this has inspired you to get in and try these features out. And I know you're going to find that sweet spot in your business to release you, to equip you to do what you're best at, to release your genius in your workspace. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.